on-site, it does take an army of people to keep this place in tip-top condition. A feast for the eyes and the stomach. Blittling's kitchen garden is blooming. And you'd think maintaining the beds and borders would be back-breaking work. But gardeners like Rebecca are rejuvenating the soil with a no-dig method that promises to be stress-free and good for the environment. I'm walking along the path there and I'm thinking something smells good. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it really is. Lovely mulch. Tell me, what exactly is no-dig gardening?
It's as simple as it sounds. We are not disturbing the soil. We're adding fresh layers on top and working with nature, so you're not disturbing the natural formation of the soil.
When you introduce the word organic or nature into anything, it just sounds like it's giving something back.
Yeah.
Is that what you actually do? You're putting something back into the soil?
So we're feeding the soil, so if you have happy soil, you're going to have happy plants, which is
and
what we want.
happy food.
Yep. We started off with 6 beds, and now we've turned the whole garden no-dig.
Oh, wow.
It worked so well for us. It helped us with managing weeding, with watering, helped us stop releasing as much carbon into the atmosphere.
And today, I'm doing my bit to go green by creating a no-dig bed for next year's crop. I'm a TV person, not new gloves. I like that.
Shiny, mine are a bit dirty.
I know yours are filthy. These are lovely and new. Carry on.
So we're going to start with some cardboard.
Okay.
And then we're quite literally going to just stick it under there.
Okay.
And that's our starting point.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add our organic matter.
And when do you remove the cardboard then?
You don't. That's the joy of it. It initially starts as a weed suppressant.
Yeah.
After a couple of months, the cardboard has already disappeared and broken down.
It sort of rots down almost.
And adds to the kind of organic matter in the soil.
How brilliant is that?
It's perfect, isn't it?
It's just fantastic. It smells good, this, doesn't it? If I sprinkle this on me, I think I'd rot down.
Shovel it on.
Yeah.
So this mulch can be applied at any time of year, and it will help with any soil type that you have, clay or sand, whatever you've got, it will work.
Okay.
Initially, it's ideal to start with about 6 inches.
Yeah.
And then annually after that, you can just top it up with 2 inches every year.
This is a real sort of forward way of thinking.
Absolutely.
There's no way back after this, surely.
No, because when you dig, you release carbon.
Environmentally friendly gardening, that's what we're talking, aren't we?
Absolutely.
I'm sure you've given people lots of positive ideas for their gardening back at home.
Hopefully.
Save my back, save my back.
Absolutely.
But really, it's all about fantastic soil means fantastic food. Great.
See you later. Bye.
I really enjoyed being in the garden with Rebecca, learning about all those really basic tips that mean so much for our planet. Really, that's what it's all about.